Namaste parents, hello children, this is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 9th standard CBSE Mathematics, Chapter 12, Heron's Formula. Let us start exercise 12.2 children. First question, a park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equal to 90 degrees, AB equal to 9 meters, BC equal to 12 meters, CD 5 meters, AD 8 meters. How much area does it occupy? As we discussed before children, using Heron's formula we can find out quadrilateral's area also. We'll see how it is. The park in the shape of quadrilateral, right? They have given the sides also and C they said 90 degrees. Now we have to join this line BD children. Now we join BD children. Now check BCD triangle. In BCD triangle, can we write BD square equal to BC square plus CD square using Pythagoras property? What is BC children? It is 12. So BD square equal to BC square, that means 12 square plus CD. CD is 5. 5 square, right? 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25, that equal to 169. BD square equal to 169, so that BD equal to root of 169 children 13. 13 square equal to 169. So BD equal to 13 meter. Right children? So we know this value BD equal to 13 meter. Therefore we can find out the triangle BCD area children. Area of triangle BCD. Here we have right angle triangle. Right children? That means this is base and this is height. We can use half BH children. Here A equal to half into B into H. Half into base means BC 12 meter into height. Height means 5. Right children? 5 6 are 30 meter square. That is the area of triangle BCD children. Now we know triangle BCD area 30 meter square. Now we will find out triangle ABD area children. What is BD here? BD is 13 meter. We will write it here. It is 13 meter. Right children? Now what we have to do? We have to apply Heron's formula for ABD triangle. Now we are considering triangle ABD children. What is S? Perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. That is 9 plus 8 plus 13 divided by 2 children. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 13 is 30 by 2. 30 by 2 equal to 15. 15 meters children. We know Heron's formula. Area equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Right children? We know S. What is S here? 15. S minus A. We'll take this one. 15 minus 9. S minus B. 15 minus 8. S minus C. 15 minus 13. Right children? Now this equal to root of 15. 15 minus 9 is 6 children and 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 13 is 2. That equal to root of, in place of 15 I am writing 3 into 5. Right children? Into 6. 6 also I am writing 3 into 2. Into 7 into 2. Correct children? So this equal to root of, here 1, 2. 2 3's are there. 3 square into 2 2's are there. 2 square into 5 into 7, 35. Correct children? So here square and square root will get cancelled. 3 into 2, that is outside, root of 35. 3 2's are 6 root of 35 meter square. Here root of 35 equal to 5.916 children. Into 6 is there already. Right? This equal to 35.496 meter square. This is the area of triangle ABD. We changed root 35. So it is 5.916 into 6 equal to 35.496 meter square children. So this is 35.496 meter square. So now we know this triangle area and this triangle area also. What we have to do to find out the quadrilateral area? We have to join. That means we have to add these both. Right, children? Therefore, area of the quadrilateral, that means area of the park is equal to area of this triangle, triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD, children. 35.496 plus 30. 30 plus 35, that is 65.496 meter square. This is the park area, children. This equal to 65.5 meters square approximately, children. Question 2, children. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, CD equal to 4 cm and DA equal to 5 cm, AC equal to 5 cm. Here they have given one quadrilateral, children. So here we have to find out the area. Same like before question, we have to find out triangle ABC area and triangle ACD area and we have to add. Right, children? First we will go with triangle ABC. Here we can apply Pythagoras property, children. If it is works, then this triangle is right angle triangle. Right, children? We will see Pythagoras property is possible or not. Therefore, as per Pythagoras property, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. We will check is it working or not. AB square, that is 3 square plus BC square, that is 4 square. Right, children? 3 square is 9 plus 4 square means 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25, children. Now we will find out AC square. AC square. AC is 5. 5 square means 25 here also. So both are same. That means this triangle is right angle triangle. Right, children? Here this is the longest side. That means the opposite one is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees, children. So ABC triangle is right angle triangle. Therefore, we can use the formula half BH to find out the area. Area of triangle ABC. That equal to half into B into H, children. Here half. B means 4, children. H means 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 twos are 6. 6 centimeters square is the area of this triangle, children. Now take triangle ACD, children. In triangle ACD, S equal to perimeter divided by 2. What is perimeter? Sum of 3 sides. 5 plus 5 plus 4 centimeters divided by 2, children. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14 by 2, that equal to 7 centimeters. We know Heron's formula to find out the area, that equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, children. Correct. Here S equal to 7 centimeters. So 7 into S minus A, 7 minus 5, S minus B, 7 minus 5 again, S minus C, 7 minus 4. This equal to root of 7 into 7 minus 5, children. It is 2. 7 minus 5 again 2. 7 minus 4, it is 3. Here we have 2 2's. That means root of 2 square into 7 into 3 we can write. Correct, children? Square and square root will get cancelled. So 2 outside and root of 21. Here root 21 is approximately 4.583, children. So 2 into 4.583 is root 21. So this equal to 9.166 centimeters square, children. So this triangle area is 9.166 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD children. What is ABC triangle area? That is 6 centimeter square plus area of triangle ACD 9.166 centimeter square children. This equal to 15.166 centimeter square. Approximately we can write 15.2 centimeter square children. This is the quadrilateral area. Third question children. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown as in the figure. Find the total area of the paper used. Right children? If you see the picture, here we have different parts like triangle. 1, 4, 5 is like a triangle. Now see, second one is like rectangle. Think quadrilateral. Third one also quadrilateral. Correct children? Now we'll find out the area parts wise. First take first part triangle children. For triangle 1. Right children? See, this is like this. If this is 5 centimeter means this is also 5 centimeter. This part is 1 centimeter means this one opposite also 1 centimeter. Right children? So now we can find out S children. S is perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter means sum of 3 sides. 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 2, that equal to 5.5 centimeters here. Now we can find out this triangle first part area by using Heron's formula. So area of triangle 1, that equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C children. Here we know S value, that is 5.5. So that equal to root of 5.5 into 5.5 minus 5. Again 5.5 minus 5. Now 5.5 minus 1 children. Now this equal to root of 5.5. 5.5 minus 5 children, that is 0.5. Here also 0.5. And here 5.5 minus 1 is 4.5. This equal to 5.5. I am writing like root of 11 into 0.5 children. Correct? Now here also we have 0.5 and 0.5. Here 4.5. 9 5s are, we can write, that means 9 into 0.5. Correct children? So this equal to root of 11 will separate. 9 we can separate. 9 means 3 square children. And 0.5, here 2, 0.5 square, and here also we have 2 0.5s, 0.5 square again. Right children? Square and square root will get cancelled. So 3 0.5 and 0.5 will be out. 3 into 0.5 into 0.5. Root of 11 is here. Right children? Here 0.5, 0.5. Think 5 5s are 25 without decimal. So 0.25 into 3 is 0.75 root of 11. Right children? Here root of 11 equal to 3.317 approximately. So that equal to 0.7 into 3.317. That is 2.488 centimeter square children approximately. So this first triangle area children, that is 2.488 centimeter square. Now we'll find out the second part. Now for second part children, this is like quadrilateral. That means rectangle children. See here 1 centimeter means here also 1 centimeter. This is 6.5 centimeter. That means this is also 6.5 centimeters. So this is rectangle children. We can find out the area of rectangle by using L into B formula children. What is length here? That is 6.5 centimeters. Breadth is 1 centimeter. That equal to 6.5 centimeters square. Right children? Therefore, this part area is equal to 6.5 centimeters square children. Now this is part 3 children. It is a quadrilateral. Now this is looks like a trapezium. Right children? So what is trapezium area? Half into height into B1 plus B2 children. That means base 1 plus base 2. Here base 1 and base 2 we know, but we don't know height children. Height means perpendicular height of this trapezium. Right children? Now we have to know perpendicular distance, perpendicular height of this trapezium. Right? For that, now see here, this is 2 centimeter. Right children? Here 1 and here 1. Exactly with same length, I am taking a point and I am joining these 2 points children. So this line dividing the base to half. If full is 2 centimeter means this part is 1 centimeter and this part is 1 centimeter. Now see, this line is parallel to this line, and if it is 1 centimeter means this is also 1 centimeter. Right children? Now see this triangle 1, 1, 1 equilateral triangle. So that I can draw a perpendicular bisector like this. Right children? So we can draw a perpendicular bisector. By using Pythagoras property, we can find out this height children. This height is trapezium height, perpendicular height. Right? Now we will find out this height children. Let us name this triangle A, B, C here. It is D children. Now in triangle ABD, see, we know this is 1 centimeter hypotenuse, and this one we have to find out AD and BD. How much is BD children? If this full length is B to C is 1 centimeter means BD is 0.5 centimeter and D to C also half, 0.5 centimeter. Right children? So in triangle ABD, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. Right? Now we have to find out AD. Correct children? AB square means 1 square equal to BD square. 0.5 square plus AD square means I am writing AD only. So 1 square means 1 minus this will go to left hand side. 0.25. 0.5 square means 0.25 children. If it is going left hand side means 1 minus 0.25, that equal to AD square, right? Therefore AD square equal to 1 minus 0.25, that is 0.75. From here AD equal to root of 0.75 children, that equal to 0.866 centimeters approximately. Now we know this perpendicular height 0.866, right children? So this is the height of trapezium, that is 0.866. Now we can apply this formula and find out this trapezium area children. Trapezium area equal to half into height into B1 plus B2 children. Half into height we know 0.866 into B1 base 1 centimeter plus B2 this full 2 centimeter children, that equal to half into 0.866 into 3 children. 2 ones are 2, 1.5 are, right? So 0.866 into 1.5, that equal to 1.299 centimeters square. So this portion area is equal to 1.299 centimeters square children. Now fourth one and fifth one we have to find out. Now see 4 and 5 shapes children, both are triangles. See, exactly same size and same shape. So if you find out area of fourth triangle, no need to find out area of fifth triangle. Right children, both are same. Now see this line, this is very straight line children. So this angle is 90 degrees. Right? See, it is very straight line to this rectangle. Exactly 90 degrees children. So 90 degrees means it is very easy to find out the area of this triangle. I will draw it here like this. Here it is 90 degrees. Right children? And this length is 6 centimeters and this is 1.5 centimeters. Correct children? So this is base and this is height of this triangle. If you twist this figure, the shape will be like this, children. So here it is 90 degrees, this is 1.5 and this is 6 centimeters. We know base and we know height, so that we can find out the area very easily, children. So area of triangle 4, that equal to half into B into H, children, because it is right angle triangle. Half into what is base here? 1.5. What is height here? 6, children. 2 1s are 2 3s are 1.5 into 3, 4.5 centimeter square. This area is 4.5 centimeter square. So this triangle area also same, 4.5 centimeter square, children. Now we know all the shapes area, children. We have to find out the total. That is total area of paper she used. Right, children? That equal to area of first shape plus area of second shape plus area of third shape plus area of fourth shape and area of fifth shape. Right, children? What is the first one area? 2.488 centimeter square plus second one area, that equal to 6.5 centimeter square plus third one area, children, that is 1.299 plus fourth one 4.5 and fifth one also 4.5 centimeter square. Right, children? Here we can take 2.488, children, 2.5 approximately plus 6.5 here. Here also 1.299. So I'll take it as 1.3 plus 4.5 and 4.5 again. Right, children? 4.5 plus 4.5, it is 9 plus 1.3, 2.5 plus 6.5. Again 9, children. So 9 plus 9, it is 18 plus 1, 19.3 centimeter square. So total paper used, total area of paper used is 9.3 centimeters approximately, children. Why we are writing approximately? Because in middle root values are there, maybe 0.1, 0.2 difference will be there. So 9.3 centimeter square approximately. It's look like very lengthy and big question, children. If you solve it part wise, it is easy. Fourth question, children. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26, 28 and 30 centimeter and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram, children. Right? They clearly mentioned that triangle and parallelogram on the same base. Base also they said 28 centimeter. Right, children? So here we have triangle measurements so that we can find out triangle area, and we have to find out this parallelogram height. Height means this perpendicular height, children. Right? And they mentioned one more point. Parallelogram area is equal to triangle area. Here they said parallelogram area is same as triangle area, right? If you know triangle area, from that we can find out parallelogram area. What is parallelogram area formula, children? Base into height. Now triangle area we will find out by using Heron's formula, children. For that we need S. So triangle S, semi-perimeter equal to perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter means 3 sides sum, children. 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2, that equal to 84 by 2. Therefore S equal to 42 centimeters, children. This is S value. Correct? Now we know the formula. Area of a triangle equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here we know S value. So root of S, that is 42 into 42 minus 30. 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 26. Right, children? So this equal to root of 42. 42 minus 30, children, 12. 42 minus 28, 14. 42 minus 26, children, it is 16. Now this one we can write again 42. 7 6 we can write into 12. 2 into 6 we can write 14. 7 into 2 we can write 16 children. 4 into 4. Correct. Now this equal to root of, here 7 and 7, write 7 square, 6 and 6 into 6 square, and 2 here, 2 square. Here 16 means 4 into 4 children. So 4 into 4, that means 4 square, right? So this equal to, all the numbers we have squares only. So square and square root will get cancelled. 7 into 6 into 2 into 4. Correct children? 7 6 are 42. 42 into 2, 84. 84 into 4 children, that is 336. 336 centimeters square. This is the area of the triangle only. That is equal to parallelogram area, they said. Correct children? So here area of triangle equal to 336 centimeters square. Now parallelogram area is equal to triangle area. They said already, right? It is given in the question. Correct children? So what is parallelogram area? B into H. B means base. Parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeters children. So it is 28 into height. Height we don't know. H, that equal to triangle area. 336. Correct children? Now H equal to 336 divided by 28. Right? So 336 by 28 equal to 12 centimeters. That is the height of, perpendicular height of the parallelogram children. So this is 12 centimeters. Fifth question children. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass fields will each cow be getting? Right children? That means we need the full area of this figure. If you see this figure, you can see two triangles in that. That means you can find out one triangle area and double of it. 2 into that triangle area, you will get this rhombus shaped field area. Right children? So now we will find triangle ABC area. By using Heron's formula, for that we need to find out S children. S means perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter 30 plus 48 here divided by 2. Here 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 48, 108 by 2, that equal to 54 meters children. Now we know S, we have to find out the area by using Heron's formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Correct children? So this equal to root of, what is S value? 54. 54 minus 48, 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 30 again. This equal to root of 54. 54 minus 48, it is 6 children, and 54 minus 30 children, 24. 54 minus 30 again 24. Right? So this equal to root of 54. 6 nines are 54 we can write. Again 6 here. 24, 24. 24 square we can write. This equal to root of, here we have 2 6, that means 6 square. 9 means we can write 3 square into 24 square already there. Now square and square root will get cancelled. It is 6 into 3 into 24 children, that equal to 432 meters square. Right? We want full field area. That means double of this triangle area. Right children? Therefore, rhombus shaped field area is equal to 2 into this triangle area. 2 into 432 children, This one equal to 864 meter square, children. This is only the field area, but they are asking how much area of grass field will each cow be getting. There are 18 cows, right children? 18 cows in the full field. Now how much area of grass field each cow is getting? That means 864 divided by 18 cows, number of cows, right children? Now area of full field equal to 864 meter square, children. Now number of cows they have given 18 number. Therefore area of grass each cow will get equal to full field, area of field divided by number of cows, that equal to 864 by 18, children, that equal to 48 meter square. That means each cow is getting 48 meter square area of grass field, right children? We'll do the remaining questions in next session, children. Thank you very much.